So here's the drawers, perfect fit for glue. Wouldn't have had to cut these rabbets out on this plywood, but I'm using 1/2-inch plywood for the drawer bottoms and the drawer sides to be able to use that quarter system. But this is by far, I'm thinking, the best way I've built drawers. These drawers here, I used pocket holes. I mean, they turned out just fine. They really did. But we'll see how long they hold up with just the screws. Because this plywood that I use and a lot of things that I build is got this paper on it that is a pain to get off, and glue does not stick to that at all. One side of it is paperless. It's smooth like this here. The other side is not. Here's all my drawer pieces, parts, bottoms. I don't have the fronts ready yet, but those 10 drawers are going to go right there.